This is an approximately 3 foot by 9 foot long wet well location in direct traffic. Removal and replacement of the four exceptionally heavy cover plates required 20 to 25 minutes for removal and replacement. The truck you're seeing had to reposition itself just to remove the last plate. Over the years, adding rubber to quiet the sounds was used but still required recurring maintenance calls to keep the natives happy. Residents' complaints had a history over noise causing the service calls, resulting in what you're about to witness was the solution. This retrofit location had a golden egg. You are seeing it now, an extremely large cast iron foundation frame existing, having a perfectly flat surface of 1 5/8 all the way around, end to end, to take the load of the new stainless steel foundation frame of the new fixture. With the preparation complete, we can set the new fixture, which includes drilling and tapping the cast iron golden egg. Doing that process 12 times through the prepared recessed area in the 3/8 thick new stainless steel foundation frame makes this fixture accept continuous direct traffic. Having the cast iron frame embedded and still in excellent shape after 25 years dictated the new shape and size, having us concerned about will we have enough room to upgrade to fall protection and still having enough room for the pumps below removal. It doesn't always work out like this, but a well-planned project saved the city roughly $200,000 by using the golden egg in 2018.